Soujuk Hummus.
Homemade creamy hummus topped with crispy sujuk. I guarantee you this is gonna change the way you think of hummus.
Can of beans into some water. Rub them around and you'll see the skins float to the top. Scoop them all out. You can skip this step if you want. It just makes it extra smooth. Then drain out the water. I get it. It's better when you cook it yourself. This is just easier out of a can. Do it how you want.
2 cloves garlic puree, half cup tahini, half cup lemon juice. Puree. Add in garbanzo beans, cumin, salt, pepper, olive oil, puree. Here's a trick. Drop in some ice cubes while it's pureeing to make it extra creamy. Look at that.
Now for the fun part. Soujuk, slice it up and into bits. A little oil. Soujuk. You want it nice and crispy.
Get yourself a bowl, add in your super creamy hummus, and use this back of the spoon trick to make a nice well. Add in that delicious crispy sujuk. Don't forget the oil on top, Aleppo, cumin, a little more olive oil, and just enjoy your new favorite dip.
Oh, yeah, man, that's so good. You gotta try it with the soujuk. It's delicious. Want some?